Load the GIS App 4 project from the last tutorial. Open the database editor if it isn't already open. Open the geyser plan camera in the upper left view. Save the project as GIS App 5. Search for Lake 3 in the database editor objects list. Activate it in the objects list. Go to the layer page, activate the marsh layer, select the layer, and view. It may be difficult to see the marsh vectors because stream vectors coincide. Search for stream in the objects list. Deselect View. Now the marshes show up in bright green. Search for Lake 3 again in the database and select it. The Attributes page shows a minor 1 code of 111, a marsh wetland. If you're a bit rusty on the hydrography codes, open the hydro100k.met file to the Entity and Attribute Information section. We couldn't create lake components for the marshes because they have no elevation attribute. Let's see if we can render them with a marsh ecosystem. Go to the Land Cover Task Mode and add a generic ecosystem. Go to the Ecosystem Editor General page and name it Marsh. Go to the Material and Foliage page and create an overstory ecotype. Open Component Gallery from the Overstory Ecotype Editor. Load the grass-dominated wetland. Close the editor. Go to the Ecosystem Editor General page and create a new search query. Turn to the Search Query Selected Filter page. Search the minor 1 attribute field for a value equal to 111. Go to the General page. Select Items Now. 52 lake objects will be selected in the database with the 111 minor 1 attribute. Close the query. Save the project and render a geyser plan preview. The marsh ecosystem rendered, but not entirely. It mixed with the ecosystems it overlapped. By default, ecosystems are set to overlap and all given the same priority. That means VNS will mix them evenly in the overlap area. Increase the marsh priority to 1. This will give it render priority over ecosystems it overlaps. Save the project and render a preview. The marsh ecosystem now has render priority in overlap areas. Open the upper geyser basin camera in the upper left view. Save the project and render a preview. Congratulations! Marshes abound and the wetland creatures thank you.